Brains consume more energy than any other parts of the body. Even though your brain only makes up about 3% of your body mass, it consumes 20% of the energy for its own function. The energy is used towards maintenance, cell growth, and fuel for electrical impulses that drive the body. Humans use more than 10% of their brain. There is a myth that the human brain uses only 10% of its full capacity. This is just that, a myth. If 90% of the human brain was not necessary for the common human life, it would have been selected out by evolution. Not only that, but if 90% of the brain was normally unused, then damage to those parts should not impair functionality. But instead we see that damage to any area of the brain does indeed cause some amount of loss in ability. The neocortex makes up 75% of the human brain. The neocortex, being as large as it is, suggests its merit towards our species' evolutionary success. This part of the brain is the largest in humans than any other animal, and functions in sleep, memory, and the process of learning. No pain. The brain does not have the ability to sense pain. While the brain itself may be the center for such perceptions, it lacks any pain receptors on its entirety. Instead, the brain is covered by tissues such as skin and muscle that perceive any damage for it. Reality is subjective to the human brain. Our brains like to adapt information gained from the environment into a manner at which allows a perceived reality to be created. If your brain has a stable version of such a reality, it will find evidence to support it through varied interpretations of environmental stimuli. This ability is a complication that arose with human intelligence. It allows the individual to function efficiently by simulating control.